Chef here. I'm in one of the kitchens and I thought I would share this little superfood tip with you. And that, of course, is all about tea today. Drinking tea and consuming tea, very good for your health. And I just want to share a quick little recipe with you. So here I've got a nice glass full of tea, and I've just brewed this. I think this is the third cup I've brewed out of this tea bag. This is really good stuff. I'm going to show you the tea I'm using here today. I got this black currant burst flavored black tea with fruit pieces. I really like it. Good stuff. So the tea is good. I've already added a little bit of honey and make sure that blends in good. I'm going to show you one more thing. Another healthy recipe, something that's going to help you live longer. And what am I talking about here today? Talking about chia seeds. Chia seeds. Chia. These are pretty good, pretty cool. And this is a vegan plant-based protein. I'm talking about daily serving of 2 tablespoons a day is all you need. And in that, you got about 100 calories of boost. You've got 5 grams of protein approximately. There's vitamin D, calcium, iron, potassium, all kinds of good stuff, that dietary fiber, and all kinds of good stuff that's really beneficial for your body. Okay, I'm going to show you the way that I like to take my chia seeds. Of course, you can put it in cakes, you can put it in desserts, you can put it in cereal, oatmeal, all stuff like that. But I drink a lot of tea. So I got this awesome tea here. It's already infused. This is a black currant tea. It's infused with honey. Sometimes I put vanilla in there. And now I'm going to be adding the chia seed. So I've got 2 hearty tablespoons. I put it right in and I stir it while I'm putting it in there because I want it to get fully into the glass and have the chia seeds start to suck up some of the moisture. It's really cool. It ends up being kind of like tapioca or bubble tea or something like that. It's got a really neat effect. I like to wait 5, 10, even 30 minutes and the chia seeds expand. So you have to stir it, you got to stir it a couple of times, and that's going to be really, really good. A few more benefits I should give you about chia seeds. They can help lower your cholesterol. They boost your heart health, help your blood, reduce your risk of developing chronic diseases. That said, because chia seeds are packed with fiber and they're calorie dense, you should be consuming about 2 tablespoons a day. They're not expensive. Seek them out. I got to give a shout out to these Yeti glasses. They're double-walled, insulated. I really, really like them. They keep your beverages hot or cold. I like the fact that they hold a lot, and often when I'm traveling or doing events, I'm using these thermoses. This is a Yeti thermos. It's pretty cool. It's got an awesome little pour spout on there. It's got a huge rubber seal, and it's stainless steel throughout there. So really, really nice. When you put this on and you give it a pour, it doesn't leak. I like that feature. This gigantic handle, of course, could be clipped to a backpack or whatever, and it's pretty much indestructible. Yeah. Check it out, seek it out. Yeti. Oh, yeah. Cheers to your health. Chia seeds could easily do 20 ounces of tea or more. And wow. Why not live longer? Healthier. Fight the free radicals that are inside all of us. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. That's how he likes it. Please like, share, subscribe. Follow us right down there. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Okay, that right there is a perfect chopped basil. In one of the kitchens with one of these cutting boards, and almost every week or bi-weekly people ask me, Chef, how do you clean that cutting board? So that's what I'm gonna touch on here right now. So this is a rock maple board. It's reversible. It's 20 by 15 by 2 1/4, and it's one of these. Really good quality here. I like it. This one's been used for a long time, maybe more than 6 or 7 years, I think. So as it gets dirty, we're using the bench scraper to scrape it off, just like this. Any residue that's left, you can just put on a paper towel and you can see it right there. Okay, towel dry it, that's good. All right. Well, by looking at this, the board's getting a little bit dry. It's ready for an application of mystery oil. There's another product, a little thicker, that has a little more beeswax. That's the board cream. Good stuff. Shake it up. I've got more tricks. Watch some of the other videos. More tricks with this too. We shake it up. We put it on in a swirling motion like this. Plastic bag. Are you thinking about upgrading your kitchen? Would this look good? Perhaps this one? Visit the sponsor. They do custom quotes, save you money, free shipping, and no tax. So this one's kind of dried out. The surface is crying, "Oil me please, oil me please." And this one's fresh and ready to go. So that's the difference. You can see it right there. I highly recommend you get the mystery oil and or the board cream. You just apply it like this, little circular motion. Yeah. I prefer to use a plastic bag. I'm just gonna put it on like this. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's looking good already. And this block has given me years and years of cutting, chopping pleasure. Primarily this one's used for serving fruits and cheese. You can see it sucking up the oil. Yeah, the oil protects it, it penetrates into the wood, and it makes it last for many, many more years. Looking really good now, yeah. The other side, same deal. It's crying for some oil. Oh, let's give it the oil. There we go. Okay, the oil is on there. Circular motion. Let it penetrate. Doesn't take very long, a little effort, but this maintenance is very, very important. So if you need to score the oil, if you need to order the butcher block, I highly recommend you visit your sponsor. They have about 50 years of combined experience in butcher block, and wow, it's the good stuff. And get cooking again. It's awesome. If you need any of these, check out your sponsor. They've got every size and shape, custom, everything imaginable in butcher block. Not just these big ones, but smaller cutting boards as well. Quite often we're using these boards throughout food service, catering, parties. This one here is edge grain. It's also been cut on for about 10 years. And these come in a whole bunch of different sizes. Really, really nice. Get the good stuff the first time. These are made in America. You get a 1-year warranty. It's the best you can buy. Get the good stuff the first time. Forget all the garbage, the cheap stuff the mass merchants are trying to push on you. Get cooking and have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good.